Here's a big picture look. All the trees that have the pink ribbons on them are the ones that I've selected to keep. The other ones might or might not get cut down depending on whether or not they are interfering with the crown of the ones I want to keep. Plus also, the ones here on the edge of the clearing, I'm thinking of keeping just because I want to keep the trees on the inside from sort of bending over toward the light. So I figure these are sort of like provide a little bit of a shade barrier while the ones behind it grow a little bit. But that's just about the ones that are in the last 7 or 8 feet out. What should I do with these trees that are regenerating from stumps? Should I leave them all there or cut them down to 1, cut them down to 2? I'm just not sure. Here's an example of a trunk, a small one I'll take down, not because it's interfering with the crown, but because it's interfering with the base. So I think that should come out. The 3 you see here were a tough choice. I chose the one on the far right, even though it's the smallest of the 3. But if you look at one on the left, it's kind of gotten mangled in the middle, and you can see there's like a branch growing out of the side there. I don't think that would be really profitable. And that one next to it, if you notice, it's it's going a little bit crooked. And the one that I've chosen on the right, it seems like the straightest of the 3. Here's a group of 4. The ones I'm keeping are about 8 feet apart. The 2 in the center then will have to go. Here's 2 trees, about 8 feet apart. And if you look up at the crown, they are interfering with each other. But I'm thinking of just leaving them both, and maybe eventually one to be taken down and kind of a release cut. Here's 5 marked trees. The big one in the front, and then behind that one there's a line of 3, and then to the left of that there's one more, and then down the hill there's one more past those 3. Now about those 3, they're about 4 feet from each other, and I'm wondering whether or not I should have taken out the middle one or not. I mean, it's a good healthy tree, but as you look at that middle one, there it goes. And, it's just going to be right there in the crown on the ones to the its left and the right. These 3 trees are just 5 or 6 feet from each other. You're looking up here toward the top. That one there in the middle, I've selected to come out. But those 2 on the outside, plus that 3rd one on the left, is the keeper. But it's just 5 feet over from the one you see on the right. Is that too close or not?